Remember that era, when just holding a Nokia phone in your hand made you feel like you were holding the power of the world? That indestructible build quality, that rock-solid reliability, that legendary brand trust. Well, here's the great news: Nokia isn't just a memory anymore, it's about to make a comeback in a whole new avatar. And this time, it's taking aim straight at the flagship market, all while staying in the mid-budget range. This spectacular smartphone promises to pack a 200-megapixel DSLR-grade camera, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, loaded with mind-blowing features. So, without wasting another second, let's dive into all the leaked specs of this phone that are about to blow your mind. Let's get started. Features of the Nokia Lumia 500 5G. Display. First up, the most crucial feature, the display. This beast is getting a massive 6.89-inch Full HD Plus OLED display. And that's not all, this screen boasts a 2K resolution. That means every video, every game, every photo will look so crisp and clear, your eyes won't want to look away. And gamers, listen up. A 144Hz refresh rate, and a 410Hz touch sampling rate. That's buttery smooth, lag-free swipes and instant taps. For security, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor. Camera setup. Now, onto the most talked about feature, the camera. Folks, Nokia is about to cause an earthquake in the camera segment this time. You're getting a triple camera setup. Its main shooter is a monstrous 200-megapixel sensor. Accompanying that is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and an 8-megapixel macro lens. So whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or zooming into distant details, you'll get nothing but stunning results. And selfie lovers, don't worry, we've got you covered with a 50-megapixel front-facing camera. Performance. Now the question arises, where will the power to handle all these heavy-duty features come from? The answer lies in its brain, the processor. The heart of this phone will be powered by the sheer speed of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. This is a brand new flagship-level chipset that will handle heavy gaming, 4K editing, and intense multitasking without breaking a sweat. And running the show is the latest Android 16 operating system, bringing you cutting-edge features and top-tier security. Battery backup. With such a powerful phone, if the battery is weak, the whole experience would be ruined, right? But guess what? Nokia hasn't compromised here either. Hidden inside is a mammoth 7900 mAh powerhouse of a battery. Imagine getting a solid 2 days of use on a single charge. And if you do run low, no need to panic, because it comes with 125-watt super fast charging. Price and launch date. Now, for the biggest question. How much will all this cost you? And when can you get it? So, according to information from reliable sources, the Nokia Lumia 500 5G is expected to be priced around $800 in the USA. And the launch date, Nokia hasn't made any official announcement yet, but based on inside sources and market leaks, the expectation is that Nokia could launch this phone in the last quarter of 2025. So, you still have some time to start saving up.